How to fix error code 43 in NVIDIA/Intel GPUs on Windows. 1. Update device driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter via msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command. 3. Uninstall and reinstall the device driver. 4. Check the GPU temperature. 5. Prevent Windows from automatically updating your graphics card drivers. 5.1 Note down the hardware ID in the wanted device. 5.2 Enable prevent installation. Devices that match any of these device IDs at computer configuration administrative templates system device installation restrictions in group policy editor, adit.msc. 6. Download and install the older version of your display driver. 7. Check if the graphics card is properly connected. 8. Install the latest Windows updates. 9. Remove Lucid Purdue MVP software using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 10. Revert to a previous system restore point.